traditional Thai dessert. This dessert, it might look like a cupcake, but the taste is different.
It's a cupcake, but the taste is different.
Yeah, it's a cupcake, but it's not a cupcake. When we translate into English, it's a Thai cupcake, but in Thai, we call it Khanom Massakod. You know this one before?
No, I never heard of it.
Okay.
It's the first time.
Khanom Massakod is traditional Thai dessert, and I am making this one today because one of my friends, she is watching a Thai drama, and in that Thai drama, that girl made for the handsome guy.
You mean this girl gonna make for this handsome guy?
Today, this handsome guy gonna make this dessert for me.
What?
So today, what we need to make this dessert, I am going to show you. Okay?
Okay, let's do it.
We have two parts of the ingredients. One part is for making a cake, and then another part is for the topping part, the cake part. So first, we need sugar, a white sugar, cake flour, all-purpose flour. We need eggs, 2 eggs, salt, last lime juice, vanilla extract. This one is optional, so you can use vanilla extract or the jasmine extract. If you don't have the jasmine extract, you can use the vanilla extract. The topping part, we need the egg white, sugar, lime juice, the jasmine extract. So you can pick the color, the food coloring that you like. You want the cupcake flavor, any size you like.
We are going to turn the oven on. I will set about 350 degrees.
Now we are going to make the cake part. Add egg first.
And then you're going to use the mixture and beat the eggs. After we have been working with the eggs for 10 to 15 minutes or until the egg is fluffy, so next we are going to add a sugar, just 1 spoon at a time.
Okay, now can you stop a little bit? Let's check the texture. So you're gonna have to mix until you get set and smooth. Okay? So I am going to add the lime juice and the vanilla extract. Yes. And you're gonna keep mixing it about a couple more minutes. And then we're gonna add the flour in. Okay, it should be done.
Woo.
Yep.
Get sticky.
Yeah. We are going to add the flour a little bit at a time, okay?
A little bit at a time?
A little bit at a time.
Like that?
Yeah. So you have to go like fast but gentle.
Last one?
Yep, last one. And then mix well until everything is combined. And then we are going to put it in the cupcake mold. We already put the cupcake mixture in the cupcake mold.
Yep.
And so we are going to bake it, okay?
It looks really good.
Let me see.
It smells really good too.
Okay, now you check if the cake is cooked or not.
If I put it in and nothing come out, it means it's cooked?
Yeah.
You mean like nothing come out?
If it's dry, nothing about it, then it's cooked, so it's good.
Okay,
Just take it out. Yeah.
All right.
Now you can just transfer to the cooling rack. Let it cool down and down and down, and then we're gonna work.
It's still alive.
We're gonna wait until it cool down, and we are going to make the topping cream. Gonna put the topping cream on top and bake one more time. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, we are going to turn the oven on about 250 degrees.
Okay, so next we are going to make
The topping.
the topping cream.
So we're
So
gonna-
you add the eggs,
Yep. The egg white.
the egg white, yes.
The whole thing.
Yep.
You're gonna beat the egg white until it's light and fluffy. and then we are going to add the sugar in, just 1 spoon at a time. I'm going to add the Jasmine extract in.
La 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 la. I love you.
Okay, almost done. One more time and then we're done. Okay, I think it should be ready. Can you just stop and then check?
Okay.
After we get the cream, right, we are going to put the cream on top of the cake. Like that much. So you can just put it on top.
After that, you are going to pick the color that you like. Go with pink and yellow. And then you just use the bamboo stick, pick up some color and put the color on top of your topping.
Okay, I'm gonna make another pink. Okay, so here is what you need to do, okay?
Okay.
So next you're gonna come and do it. Yeah.
Look nice.
Let me see. Nice.
Now I've unearthed my new ability.
And then you just pick the color that you like and put it on top of your cupcake, all of them.
Okay, it's ready.
We will have to bake it one more time. So we're gonna bake it for 10 more minutes.
Check them out.
Oh.
Ta-da!
Yay!
And right now our Thai dessert or Khanom Massakod is ready.
It's finished. Finally.
This is so cute, right?
Yeah.
Is it hard for you to make this one?
I don't think it's hard, but it needs a lot of time to whip the cake and to whip the
cream.
Yeah.
So right now I'm gonna let you taste your first ever Khanom Massakod, okay?
I think it's my first time making like any like Thai dessert.
Dessert. The green one?
Yeah, I want the green one.
Okay, taste it.
It tastes like Khanom Khai.
Now you are right. You said the same thing that handsome guy say.
Really?
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm gonna taste the pink one. Cheers.
Khanom Khai. I like Khanom Khai. It's good.
And that is Khanom Massakod or a Thai cupcake.
I hope that you enjoy the video and that you will try to make this Thai cupcake at home. It's not hard to make. If you try it, I think you will like it.
As I always mention you, if he can make it, you all can make it too. I hope you guys enjoy staying at home, and if you have nothing to do, go to the kitchen and cook. If you like our video, please subscribe
Like
and share. And I will put the recipe below so you can just check it out. For today, we have to say goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next
สวัส
time.
ดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับมัสคอตกอดอย่างไรน่าสงสัยใครขอถามกอดเคล้นจะเห็นความขนมนามนี้ยังแคลง